Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy. So today let's continue multiple angles part 12. So our question should be sin 3a plus sin 3 120 plus a plus sin 3 240 plus a is equal to minus 3 over 4 sin 3a. So solution left hand side we have copied. And then what we do is we will multiply all these terms by 4 and then balance by dividing with 4. So I hope this is clear. And before we proceed further, let's recall back a formula. We have learned sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Upon simplification of this formula, we can write this one. So you must remember that 4 sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. So this formula will apply in all these three terms. So upon applying this formula, we will get in place of 4 sin cube a, we will get 3 sin a minus sin 3a. In place of 4 sin cube 120 plus a, we will get 3 sin 120 plus a minus sin 3 120 plus a. And upon applying the same formula in this term, we will get 3 sin 240 plus a minus sin 3 in bracket 240 plus a. I hope this is clear. And then in next line we'll arrange. We will keep this term and this term together. Similarly, we'll keep this term and this term together. So this is what we have done. Please take your time to understand. And then in next line, again, we will do some simplification. Here is 3, here is 3. That can be taken common. Here this 3 will multiply both these angles. Here also this 3 will multiply both these angles. So we have done the simplification over here. And then in next line, can you guess what can be done? Any guesses? Okay. So in next line, the first two terms are copied as it is. Now here we have sin 120 plus a, which is in the form of sin a plus b. The formula for sin a plus b is sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. So that formula will apply over here as well as over here to get this line. Am I clear? Please take your time to understand. And again we have learned that sin 360 plus theta is sin theta, and sin 720 plus theta is also sin theta. So we have just replaced sin 360 plus 3a as sin 3a, sin 720 plus 3a also as sin 3a. And then in next line, we'll keep the values of sin 120, cos 120, sin 240 and cos 240. As well as here is minus sin 3a and here is also minus sin 3a, which can be added up to give minus 2 sin 3a. So in next line, so you can check it is 1 over 4, the first two terms as it is. We just kept the values and at last we kept minus 2 sin 3a. And then just we will open the bracket and simplify to get this line. I hope this is clear to you. And then you can check over here. Here is minus 1 over 2 sin a and here is minus 1 over 2 sin a. They can be added up. But here is root 3 over 2 cos a and here is minus root 3 over 2 cos a. They can be cancelled. So in next line, we have cancelled these two terms. And we have kept this minus 1 over 2 sin a and minus 1 over 2 sin a as it is. Please take your time to understand. In next line, we can add them up as well as we can add minus sin 3a and minus 2 sin 3a. So this is what we have done. Minus 1 over 2 sin a and minus 1 over 2 sin a can be added up to give minus sin a. I hope this is clear. And minus sin 3a minus 2 sin 3a is minus 3 sin 3a. Thereafter we'll open the bracket over here to write this line. And then you can check here is 3 sin a and here is minus 3 sin a, which can be cancelled. So ultimately we are left here with minus 3 sin 3a, which we can write this as And then in next line, we just open the bracket and we can write minus 3 over 4 sine 3a, which is equal to right hand side proved. I hope you've understood this one. So at last, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.